Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if the Touch ID isn't working properly on your iPad Air 13 2026. So first of all, let's take a look at the sensor and let's make sure that it's clean. I highly recommend cleaning it with the microfiber cloth and making sure that there are no stains left on it. Turn on your tablet, unlock it using passcode, and now let's try to set up the fingerprint model once again. So let's go to settings. In settings, we have to find Touch ID menu on the sidebar. Enter your passcode here. Now, we want to remove the previously enrolled fingerprints, like this, and then add a new one. Now make sure to use the fingerprint that you're going to be using to unlock your device. In my case, I would probably use this one. Now what we want to do is just slightly tap on the sensor and then lift our finger until the pattern on the screen is filled with red color, and tap continue, and we're gonna have to add the edges. So now use the edges of your fingertip and try to use as much of your fingertip as possible in order to enroll it correctly, and tap continue. And now before we continue, let's also check for updates, because some security updates actually include fixes for things like Touch ID and other hardware elements of our device. So to update our device, we have to go to General, Software Updates, then check whether your iPadOS is up to date. If it's not, take your time to install the latest update, and after that, try restarting your iPad to apply changes. Now, to do that, we have to press the volume down key and the power button. No. Volume down and power button, and then sliding this toggle to the right to turn on and off your tablet. Then give it like 5 seconds before short pressing the power button once again to relaunch the device. Release the power button once you see the Apple logo on your screen, and now let's let the tablet launch once again. Okay, so now we have to unlock the device using our passcode, the security measure. Now let's lock the tablet and try to unlock it with our fingertip. Let's try it a couple more times. And right now it works properly. I hope that it does for you too. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.